Do you have the update on Campos, like what happened exactly?
He's fine. He got hit in the leg with a pellet.
By them?
Yep. And he said he's okay.
Does he have a description? Security, Lily.
Yeah, we need a couple kids of water going up to West Valley also. A lot of the kids were asking me for it.
No,
Is the
sir.
security guy hit too?
It's the same update. Everybody stay inside.
Alright,
There's a lot of officers going to find out what he did, so we should be able to figure it.
And have we confirmed that's related?
19648. West Valley, if we get a couple kids of water, we're bringing them up to
Huh?
kids.
How long do you think we'll be here?
Probably all night.
Copy that.
Probably to at least gonna take 2 hours. There's so many rooms, man. And there'll be another hour to clear the probably garage and all the cooking places. Once that's done, then probably clear out like maybe 3 a.m.
Grab to what?
the water he wants to get West LA. Or at least a few cases up in West LA. They had anybody that's still left there. Yeah, at least three.
Mayo. Are any of our swing units there? Marlin, Morales,
And Goldfinger.
Goldfinger. Well. Okay, send Goldfinger and Freddy and one breaker in here.
Lily.
Security, Lily.
You think this would make A.B. roster?
Campbell. Okay, you got hit, right?
I don't think
Was
so.
this
I think
related
this could
to
be
what's
some
going on?
fucking drunk, pissed off,
Okay, did you get a description?
idiot.
Yeah.
He's a pellet gun, right? It's not like
So if you
Michael.
get hit,
He's down.
So when we're rolling up here, 751,
Mhm.
when he was screaming that someone's been shot, and then the other units were yelling that someone's been shot in the head. Like,
The pellet, so
can you guys grab water?
it is pellet.
And take them up to West
Yeah.
Valley?
I don't think any got to the hotel yet.
Campbell got hit on the leg. Campbell got hit on the leg from the room to a people. So he has no description.
They said that the water was, they actually looked down that way.
You were here.